The application stopped working after the latest Windows update. Today I will show you how to make this app work again. First, we open our browser and type in ViewATool. We go into the github.com. Click on the ViewATool.zip file in the Assets section. I saved the file to my desktop. This application that we downloaded helps us enable and disable new features in Windows updates. We need this application to disable the feature that prevents the Translucent application from link. We need a folder to place the application files to do this. We open the File Explorer, we click on this PC here from the left menu, and then click on Local Disk. Here we create a new folder. We name this folder ZViewing. The folder name is important. I will put important parts mentioned in the video in the description or comments of the video. You can copy and paste from there. After creating the folder, we right-click on the downloaded file. Then we click on Extract All It. Ask where we want to extract this file. We click on Browse. We will select the Z folder that we created once we find the new created. We click on Select Folder. Finally, we click on Extra. Now it's time to open CMD to run this application. We type CMD in the search part, right? Click on CMD and click on Run as Administrator. There are two codes to write here. This code will also be in the description. After writing the first code, press Enter. You should also have C/ZY written in yours. Then we copy and paste the second code and press Enter, and the process is complete. Now all we have to do is to restart our computer once in order to work for the change we made. And as you can see, we solved the problem without uninstalling the Windows update. The application is working smoothly. Now we can try the steps one by one yourself. Maybe Translucent develops. Team will fix this problem in the future, but for now, the solution is working. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.